Hello, Martin Baker here. I'm at the Baker's Garden Building Show Centre, and today really excited to take you on a tour of our brand new BiFold demonstration building with Rob Page behind the camera for today. So this fantastic new bifold is 5.5 metres wide, 3.8 metres deep. Got it in a brand new colour called RAL 7047. It's called Telegrey 2. I was trying to get that real true grey kind of colour and less on the anthracite, and I think I like it. It's like a silvery colour. Really like it. Colour matched the doors. We've gone with a brand new design of a secret fix fascia as well, so keep a much more cleaner line. So I think Rob and I are both really pleased with the look of that. We're going to just try it here for a bit and then offer this out to customers. And as you can see with the door shut, these are, you can't see in at all. It's really good privacy because we've got the integrated blind, which I'd really like to show you. Normally I'm trying to hold the camera as well, so today I can really show you how these great integrated blinds work. So with a magnet here, you can actually slide the whole blind up like this, and that gives you the clear glass. It's working through magnets, so it's a complete sealed unit in a normal way. You only lose a little bit of your window with the gather of that, but what a great option. When you think about bifolding doors, you're really limited on the type of blind that you're going to fit because the way they fold, it could integrate. See, you end up with quite nasty roller blinds, so these are a really great option to do that.
And great for security, as you said.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, good security, good privacy, hold off the heat and the light as well. So all those things together are really good. So Rob, come inside. I'll show you those blinds fully opened and how we do that. And then also the bifolding doors and the windows, of course, as well. So these all open gives you a really good outlook, broken into 5, so you get your personal door, and a really nice option there with your integrated blinds.
Don't forget, we also can do it in electric opening as well, if
yes.
Manual is too difficult for you.
Yes. So if the manual is too difficult, which isn't for most people, Morley have been great in supplying us with this. It's actually a solar and battery option, and it means that you actually get a remote. So you've got your blinds there that you can actually control through the remote or through the lap there, and it actually lifts it up as well. Now, for a single one, that is a bit pointless. But if you say had 5, 6 or 7, you can link them all to the same option, and then they're all opening and shutting at the same time. So that's a really nice option. Personally, I think we're fine with the manual. Bifolding doors are a brand new brand we're using. It's called Shearline. They've got matching windows. In a minute I'll show you how slick they are outside, but we really love this new design. You've got the big D handle there, and you've got your locking mechanism there, and for kids you can actually lock this shut. So it's a really good addition there, and the bifolding doors open up so nicely, so easily, even with the heavier blinds, the integrated blinds. They're still really nice. Great running gear, great rubbers. Everything on these doors is a lot slicker and smoother than our previous UK one. So we really like this, and really excited to offer it. The other cool thing is the windows are much slicker. You can see here the bead joint is smaller, and they've really just gone to a lot to get everything looking more elegant. So this has actually got an aluminium window upgrade to our UPVC to work alongside the doors. So there's your doors. You've got a 3.7 metre wide opening on the 4.2 with the big steel beam across the top. This conforms to the planning rules, notwithstanding what I'm about to show you next, which is our first time we've been able to show at the centre here one of our Em-glaze roof lights. This is the most popular roof light edition. I mean, how many of these do you think we've sold, Rob? I mean, quite a number, isn't it?
Absolutely, yeah, very popular.
Yeah, so there's 2.6 metres deep, 800 wide, a flood of light coming in. Now, because of this, we are going over the planning rule for that one bit. So this does kind of drive our planning, but everything else about this building is absolutely fine and within the permitted development rules. So that's really nice kind of structure and light coming in. And what Baker's room wouldn't be properly finished without a lovely Baker's complex here of the bar. So this I'm really excited to show for a couple of reasons. We actually had this in our last building. We just updated it today. So we've got the glass top here. It's actually a 7047, and it's got a copper sparkle running through it. We've actually created a little wine rack there as well, which I really like. So we can now actually offer that.
Is it too early for a drink yet, Martin, or?
It is too early for a
Yeah,
drink.
shame,
Sorry,
shame,
yes.
sorry. Well, maybe you should show me your favourite new toy then.
Yeah, so we always like a gadget here at Bakers. I like anything electric, apart from my cars. And this here is a really lovely addition. We did show this before, but it's our hidden TV. It really is going down a storm here. We've had this on show for about 3-4 weeks now since we trialed it, and loads of clients like it. Imagine something like a poolside room, but in the summer you don't really want the TV on show. You don't want it on the wall. You want to hide it away. Great for security, I've got to say, but also a really nice, slick trick addition to your complex. And we're now doing that whole complex with the wine rack in it as well. So on the walls, we've got our V200 cladding on the walls, V1200 on the ceiling with all the Vs lining up in our Snow Tracks colour. We've got our regular lighting that's always app run. And on top of that, we've also got the internet set up and the wall wash lighting, as you can see here.
And what about the addition of Sonos, Martin?
Yeah, indeed. So in this one, we've got 2 Sonos speakers that are actually Alexa enabled. We've got them in the 2 corners up on the wall. You can have one on the stand, that works well. Put a sound bar with the telly, and then you can create that as your surround sound as well. So that's really nice as well. A really nice light flooring. What was the flooring called?
This one is Charlotte Oak White.
Yeah, so the Charlotte Oak White flooring, I love, bit difficult to keep clean, but I really enjoy it. So I think that's pretty much everything to show you here. It's our really pleased to be able to get this one finished. It shows all of our latest additions. You're welcome to come to the show centre here and see it. Give Rob a call or drop him an email. Arrange for an appointment. You come and see this and the other 15 buildings we have on display here. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to our channels. We really do appreciate it. Let us know your thoughts on this building. Thank you.